What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are revealing the boat today that we finished. Me and Tariq got it done. A lot of work. This was slated to be a simple build, but in the end, a lot of complications, a lot of problem solving, a lot of hurdles, but we overcame. Let's show you exactly what we did. So this is a Fisher boat. I believe this is a 1980. And looking at where it started to where it is, complete facelift was done. Starting from the back, we've got two rear hatches. This one right here is for the gas tank. We do have it turfed underneath as well. All the hatches are strutted and have latches right there. And these are the dry hatch lids. Got your drain port right here. Drays right down into underneath the boat. Other hatch is where all the batteries are located. You've got your starter battery right here. And right here you've got a 12-volt lithium for the trolling motor, 100 amp hour. Touched it up with some HydroTurf. This is the solid matte black. And this is the graded finish, not the smooth. Right here on the transom cap, got your boat cleat and your nav light mount right there, flush in the turf. This was a major part of the build out, was restoring the original seat mounts. The owner of the boat definitely wanted these to be restored, and we did everything we could. And I say we, brought in my man Jeff, who's a pro welder, and we got it done, guys. Created these custom plates right here to anchor the mount down. These were cut on a plasma table to make it precise, and it was cut to the contour of the seat mount. Went ahead and riveted them down and TIG welded. You can't see it, but it's behind the turf. We've got TIG welds. You can see a little one right there, but we've got about five runs right there, TIG welded down and then bolted down, 5 bolts on each side. This is held down with 10 bolts. This is not coming back out ever. When I got the boat, it was basically falling out. So very proud of this right here. I was able to keep the original mounts for the owner. Install new seats. These are from Bass Pro Shop. Matches the whole theme of the boat with the gray, black, and aluminum finish. I won't be able to talk through everything here, guys. Owner of the boat's gonna be here in about 10 minutes, but I wanted to at least vlog it and show you as much as I could. But a lot went into just detailing this boat out, but I'll do my best to go through it. Right here we have the throttle control, turf the top as well, nice little finish there. And we repainted this mount and the steering mount over there aluminum finish color, and comes out really well. It's kind of a neat way to get the original aluminum look to it, but it's actually painted. Same for these strips down there. All of those were painted. Not the uprights, but all the strips that connect the wall to the floor. Here we have a couple cubbies right underneath the front perch deck area. I call it perch. Painted it black underneath and turfed it. Nice little accent, nice finish to it. I really like how that came out. I'm trying to get some light down in there for you guys to see it. This is where he'll be storing his anchor. This is the original anchor that came with the boat. You've got 2 units up top. Hummingbird 5s. The top graph transducers on the trolling motor, and the bottom graph transducer is mounted at the rear of the boat on the transom. Front of the boat we have the Minn Kota Maxim 12-volt. That's what's controlled by the 100 amp hour lithium battery at the back of the boat. This is a 55-pound thrust. Also HydroTurf this side wall right here. Same matte black, solid black finish. The front deck is supported by welded aluminum tubes. So welded everything together and did a lot of cross members in there as well as upright supports. So this front perch is rock solid. Also welded the front here. Probably can't see those welds, but that's locked in solid. So the turf on the floor is also HydroTurf. This is the teak light gray with the black grooves. Very, very clean looking finish with this. And guys, I have to say, I really am a huge fan of HydroTurf. It's some really, really solid stuff, and the 3M backing is completely amazing. I mean, it sticks to my garage floor and won't even come up. That's how good it is. So yeah, this entire floor down here was done in 2 pieces. And this was actually a really complicated piece for me to get in right here. I had to turf around the anchors that we have down in the floor. Turfed around that, all of the side ribs. For cable management, we wire loomed everything down nice and clean all the way down. Unfortunately, there's no conduit underneath the boat. but we're able to make it still look neat. Now, as we're recording this, we realized these shots in the garage were coming out a little bit dark, so we decided to just pull the boat out, get it under some natural light so you could see it better. The results of this build out is definitely one of my favorites. The detail finish really looks good. A lot of thought and care went into bringing this boat back to life. Now, if you missed all of that, we do have a playlist on the channel. Link is at the top of the screen. We'll also drop a video link in the description below. Looking back at when we received this boat, we were able to improve the original manufacturer's setup and at the same time improve the usability of this boat. In the end, no more wood, everything is aluminum, so this boat is built to last. And I'd have to say one of the most satisfying parts of being in this line of work is when the owner of the boat gets to see the finished product for the first time. Fun fact here, this was the last boat we did in our home garage before moving to the shop. Since moving to the shop, we've been able to increase production as well as improve our capabilities. Speaking of the shop, TB Nation Outdoors Northeast is located in Beltsville, Maryland. If you're interested, give us a call to get an estimate for your boat at 202-556-4433. Don't forget our website has an online inquiry form as well, bassbrothersfishing.com. Exciting to see what the future holds. More coming to the channel, guys. Leave us a like and subscribe to the channel to be a part of this amazing journey.